Hey, today we're going to conduct a repair on a piece of tarp and talk a little bit about um, ethical or responsible consumerism. So the corner of my tarp is blown out, the grommet's gone, the rubber reinforcement's gone, and I could throw it out and get a new one. They're reasonably cheap, but it's just another piece of plastic to throw away when we don't have to. And ethical consumerism, part of it might be I'm not giving money to somebody I find to be morally unacceptable or whatever, and that's cool. That's a part of it, I guess. But another part of it is trying to find where we're taking part in, a waste culture and throwing crap away for no reason or when there's a better alternative. And so, here's just a simple tarp repair. I'm going to reinforce that corner with Gorilla duct tape because I want that all-weather heavy-dutiness that has over regular duct tape. And then we're going to use this kit I purchased at the local hardware store to punch a hole and grommet the duct tape. And so first, just because that's going to create an uneven surface, I'll cut that little piece away. And for the tape, I figure 6 to 8 inch pieces of it will be fine. If you're not sure, roughly the width of your fist twice will be 6 to 8 inches, depending on the size of your hands. And so we're just going to do 90 degrees, matching the original corners of the tarp in both directions. I like to do that. And then we are going to kind of overlap these top bits so we don't have any dirt or crud or water seepage, or, well, we'll probably get a little bit, but we'll minimize it by making that nice tight overlap piece there. So here is our grommet kit, and you're probably going to lose all those pieces in a case like this unless you get yourself an old spice jar. Now, am I still centered under the camera? Okay, it looks like that's reasonably okay. Now, there's a sacrificial block this kit comes with that's nifty to place it on. We're using a hardwood stump though, so we don't really need that. You take this, find your beveled, sharpened end. That end's not beveled, it won't cut. So make sure you know which is your striking end, which one is not. Now, the trick to not smashing your fingers with a hammer is don't watch the hammer, don't watch your fingers, watch the striking surface right there. Now, this does not look like it's actually a striking surface, so maybe my punch, yeah, that looks like it, fits right in there, and I should be striking the punch. I'm worried that might wedge on. If I look at the instructions, no, we do not use that, it will get stuck. Okay, so see, punched right through, pull it out, we got a perfect hole. Next step is we take our, it's a shaping cup, One half of the grommet sits in just like that and goes through our freshly punched hole. Now we have our top half of the grommet, which goes over that. Actually, let's see. There is a curve to it. I want to make sure I have the curve site in the correct orientation. I'm pretty sure I got it. Rounded side up, tightly over grommet tube, and material, insert punch into tube. Alright, well, it says rounded side up, rounded side is up. We'll take our punch, should go right there, punch it down, tap it good for a good measure. There. Now we have a repaired tarp. Don't have to throw it away. Decrease your plastic waste, and there you go. Ethical consumerism and household repair items complete for the day.